Hi there, I'm Wally Wells with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, and today I'm excited to bring you this 2022 Cruisers 42 GLS. Everybody loves the 42 GLS because the side drop-down beach doors, both sides drop down, and it really opens up the stern of the boat to create just an incredible and entertaining space. And the 42 GLS has one of the best swim platforms, hydraulic swim platform systems we've seen. It's got the retractable steps, so when it lowers, those steps automatically deploy, and then when you raise the platform, the steps automatically retract. And the platform is such a great place, especially for people who are apprehensive about the water. They want to feel safe. In this situation, they can be on the boat and in the water at the same time. In addition to all the entertainment space back here, the stern is equipped with these two huge lounge chairs that are stationary. There's nothing to flip over, undo, or whatever. Now, they're just comfortable. They got a little drop-down table there with them. Inside the cockpit, we have a huge U-shaped seating area with a beautiful high-gloss wooden table. Lots of people can sit around and enjoy dinner here. Storage under all the seats. Also in the cockpit, we have this gourmet station, which features the Kenyan electric grill, has two refrigerators, sink. You can take the TV out of the main cabin and put it in the connecting slot over there. I had flat screen TV out here, but all of those vents over there are air conditioning vents, so this area can stay very comfortable in the summertime. Here at the helm of the 42 GLS, we have the twin Simrad multifunction displays. There's a stereo remote for the Rockford Fosgate stereo system. Over on the other side, you've got the engine controls and the joystick control, which this boat has the 8.2 liter high output 430 horsepower Merc V8s with Bravo 3 drives and the Axios joystick control. The Axios also has skyhook and auto helm. And back over here we have the dual helm seat with the drop-down bolster, very comfortable. And then on the other side, on the port side, we've got the bar stools that are really comfortable to sit there at the bar, but also to face forward with that padded bolster behind you. Makes a great passenger seat facing forward. Overhead, the boat is equipped with this beautiful fiberglass hardtop that has LED lighting and an opening skylight. As we're walking through the bow walkthrough area, you'll notice that everything is on one level, from the swim platform back all the way up to the bow area. And here in the bow, it's deep, it's safe. People can ride up here when the boat's at full speed. You got drop-down armrest, stereo remote, drink holders, charging ports. Also up at the bow we have the anchor well, which has the electric anchor windlass, big plow anchor up forward with deck buttons. You'll notice also that there are receivers up there for the optional bow shade, so you can shade this whole area up here at the bow if you need additional shade. In the cabin of the 42 GLS, we have a microwave, refrigerator, which makes it very comfortable for overnight stays. There's a flat screen TV. As I mentioned earlier, you can take the TV and move it out to the bar area in the cockpit if you like. Up forward, there's a dining area that can be converted to a berth. Also, there's a head in the boat with electric toilet, vessel-style sink, mirrored vanity. The aft sleeping area has a large double berth back there, just very comfortable. It's got reading lights, accent lights, and a flat screen TV. Well, that wraps up this video for the 2022 Cruisers 42 GLS. This is a beautiful boat, low hours, 33 hours on the engines, has a diesel powered generator with only 57 hours. The boat is like new, and you saw all the cool features on it. If you're interested in this boat, please give us a call here at MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'm Wally Wells. Thanks for watching.